Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for happy for having you guys here. One thing I've been able to observe is people having problem with while they are registering for their Satochi App in order for them to receive OEX token. Okay. Because I've been able to notice that some people just registered, and after they register, they feel that they've done the best, not know that they are doing the worst already. But one thing I just want to say is this: you see, when you register, because when you registered and you've registered, this is where you stop. It's different from someone that is airdropping, and it's also different from someone that is awaiting suspended. This awaiting suspended is when you have to be receiving coins each day, and the person do not click on it, because when it gets to 25, it's going to be pointing on red and it's not going to be claiming continuously. It is you are the person to claim it every special day, and if you do not claim it, it will just stand there. The coins that you've already claimed will just be there stagnant, and you just be surprised that I thought I am claiming every day, not know that you are not claiming at all. And that's going to stop. See, in this Satoshi app, they are so serious in this, whereby it will be you yourself actually doing yourself, because they don't make it automatically whereby you just have to click, then you just think that it will just be mining continuously just like that. You have to come and receive that token exactly. You have to come and receive. That is for awaiting suspended. And when we talk of registered, these are persons that they just registered, that you were sent the link, you just registered, and that's just the end of it. You do not do anything again. You do not click on start airdrop, because that start airdrop used to be shown here, exactly here. The start airdrop used to be shown, start airdrop used to be shown in this place, this exam same spot, and people fail in doing that, because when you click by verifying your account, clicking on start airdrop, then you can be able to add a project. When you have done your verification, you click on start airdrop. It's normally shown here at this spot. Do your verification. Now you are done doing your verification, move the phone close to you, follow the instruction of the robots. Turn your head to the right, to the left, up and down slowly. Follow the instruction, and once it's verified, the first thing you now need to do is for you to click on either select project or add projects. And what do you have to do? Me, I already have my own, you understand? Then you click on add project. You click on add project. So these are the projects, but these are all the projects, because we don't need we don't need all these test coin ABC. We don't need them, but these are all the projects. But the one I selected was just this OpenEX, and the one I selected is going to be shown here where it is called selected, because there is nothing I want to do with the other tokens, because they have no use. They are just for testing. So it will show to me that OpenEX is just the only project that I've added, because others has no meaning. Do we really understand this at all? Because this is what in my team I have different persons that like this are waiting suspended. This person is not mining again. He's lost. He or she is lost. And the next one is saying that this person just register, it not even care about verifying his or her account, and after verifying, you have to add a project of OpenEX. And the next one is these people that is showing airdrop are the most active. Like this person is currently receiving airdrop. This person is currently receiving airdrop. This person is currently receiving airdrop. That is what it means by airdropping. I'm trying to show you guys on this of my team, people that are under me. So it's good. So this is just how it is. This is just how it is, because when you stop it, it stops. When you stop it, it stops. So guys, it is as easy as that. It's as easy as this. And that's just all I want to say, because some people just registered, they don't know if they are to do verification or to add a project, and which is very wrong. And verification, you have to verify before you can start receiving a drop. And we have just 3 months left. And I want people to be serious about receiving this airdrop, because now if you check it very well, you check the project says here that we have just how many percent? 77 minus 100. That is about, we have just 23 left. 23, if I'm not mistaken. Let me say 22 to 23. We have just 23 to 23%. That's what we have left, because we've already received 700 plus, 700 million plus, and the airdrop they are actually going to be giving to us in total is 1 billion. So out of 700 plus is out already, we have about 2300, 22, 200, let me say 200 million plus of airdrop of OEX token that we are supposed to receive. So guys, please take this serious. For you that is sure you are just continuing to claim, just continue to do that. And for you that you just let it drop your phone anyhow, okay, no problem. At the end, you are going to know it. And for those of you that just register and you feel that you have already been in the game, not knowing that you have not just done anything yet, please go back and do your verification and add the project of OpenEX. Thank you and bye. Thank you. I have a lot of things to give to you guys after this video. A lot of videos are coming out. Thank you and bye.